I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work, and today I'm going to talk about the RBI exam. RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India and is India's central banking institution that handles its economic stability and growth. It performs various functions such as it implements India's monetary policy, manage foreign exchange, issue currency, coins, etc. The importance of Reserve Bank has increased to a great extent in recent years, which is due to the increase in the country's GDP. For performing such large number of functions, it hires various skilled candidates for which it conducts a national level exam. The exam is conducted every year and the interested candidates can apply online. It involves computer-based exam and an online interview for selection. One, you should be an Indian citizen or should hold certificates issued by Indian government. 2 is the age limit. Your minimum age should be 21 years and maximum 30 years. However, if you are having an MPhil or a PhD degree, your maximum age can be 31 or 33 years respectively. Educational qualifications. You must hold a first-class bachelor's degree with a minimum of 60% marks. In case of SC, ST, PH, 50%, or a second-class master's degree with minimum of 55%, or a doctorate degree with 50% marks in masters, or chartered or cost accountant or company secretary with a bachelor's degree, or a postgraduate diploma in management from IIM only. Today, we are going to discuss the exam pattern for RBI exams. It is divided into two phases. Phase 1, it consists of objective type questions which test reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English and general awareness. The total duration of this exam is 2 hours and the total marks of this phase 1 paper is 200 marks with negative marking of 1/4 marks in every wrong attempt. Only qualified candidates of phase 1 can appear for phase 2. Now let us discuss phase 2. The phase 2 consists of 3 papers with objective type questions. These are English writing skills, economic and social issues, finance and management, economics, statistics. The duration of this exam is 1.5 hours for each paper with total weightage of 300 marks, 100 for each paper. The negative marking in this exam is also 1/4 marks per wrong attempt. Based on the results of phase 2, the candidates are shortlisted for an interview. Interviews. Candidates may answer the interview either in Hindi or in English. The total weightage of the interview is 50 marks. Final selection is done on the basis of marks secured by the candidate in phase 2 and interview. The link to the whole syllabus is given in the description below. Now we are going to discuss a few tips and tricks so that you can crack the exams set by the Reserve Bank of India. 1. Keep yourself updated with current affairs to score well in general awareness section. For scoring in English, ensure correct usage of spelling, grammar, and punctuation. For scoring in finance and management, you must have knowledge about topics like inflation, banking sector, corporate, governance, etc. Attempt your paper smartly. Try not to lose marks in negative marking. Keep your basics or concepts clear for clearing interview round. Practice mock tests once you feel you're done with your syllabus. For mock tests, I would recommend you Youth for Work prep tests. The link is given in the description below.